Here we have Solana, symbol SOL versus the dollar, and still consolidating the highs right here. Again, I do like this overall. I have nothing at all whatsoever bearish to say about this as long as you're especially above 185 now, even on a spike low there. It doesn't need to wait, or at least I wouldn't necessarily wait for a daily closure. Anyways, with that in mind, do we see any sort of particular setups right here? Yeah, we do see daily BBWP is on the floor, actually below about 1 percentile right now. Now, I do expect it's going to probably stay down there for, you know, a day or two perhaps. And I wouldn't necessarily be looking for like the next trending macro move until we actually see it get consistently above the moving average with a positive slope. But until then, where would my target be for an upside resolution? Or sorry, where would my upside resolution be for a generalized continuation target? Well, that would be above about 209 on a daily closure in this case. And yeah, I would be looking for a short-term move back up to 220. I don't think things would stop there. We've seen several of wicks already kind of rejected from there. So I do expect that next test very likely does push through. And I'm generally looking towards about the 230-ish region, and then likely another short-term consolidation right around there. I'm sure that this is probably making some sort of a, you know, can you make a formation on this? Technically not, no, but it's a rectangle, and these things actually do have a measure move to be implied from them. So it would imply a target, I'm guessing, towards 230 as well. Oh, what do you fucking know? So good symmetry right there. Again, this would be invalidated below about 185 now. Or would I say 190 on a closure? Maybe 190 on a closure. I'm not necessarily certain that I would adhere to that myself. Weekly, still long-term fine. Monthly, obviously, like, good. If it did, you know, if you do start to take out 185 to the downside, I would be looking for a corrective phase all the way back down to 160 first before anything else, and I'd actually still give it a chance to put in another higher low there. All higher term time frame still looking more or less good. Anyways, let's actually address what you asked for, which was a 4 hour right here, and what do we see? More or less the same thing. I'm actually not getting anything too unique from the 4 hour. In fact, the 4 hour would suggest, 4 hour closure above about 211.5 would probably be front runnable for a daily resolution to the upside as well. So, you know, more or less good things on this one. Just I do think that you might be waiting a little bit longer. Still, though, very long-term good setup in my opinion. 5-day closed as a bullish engulfing, so I'm not gonna hate that. Hopefully that was helpful, man. And there you go for Solana.